Hello everyone, welcome to my new workshop. My name is Koke and I have been working in the VFX industry for over 10 years, collaborating with big studios like Skydance, Pixomundo, Jellyfish Picture or Cinesite. Working with those amazing studios gave me the opportunity to work in TV shows or movies like The Witcher, The True Detective, Season 7, Nautilus, The Lost Voyage of the Demeter, Lift, between others. I have a big passion about landscapes and to create stunning and beautiful environments, and that gave me the opportunity to join as a beta tester member of the team of World Creator. That is an amazing tool to create 3D environments, and we are going to explore that tool in this workshop. At the end of the workshop, you will be able to create any environment that you wish, not just the one that we are going to create.